Build-A-Button 6.0 from American Button Machines provides you with a wide variety of tools that enable you to create your own custom button designs. Whether you're creating a round, rectangular, square, or oval design, Build-A-Button has you covered. You'll find that if you can use a word processor, you'll be able to use Build-A-Button to design great buttons. You can work with Build-A-Button using a web browser on your computer or tablet. You can start by selecting from one of the 20 available button sizes and shapes. You can then select a background color for your button design and add graphic elements such as shapes, photos, borders, and accent rings. When it comes to images, in addition to being able to use your own photos, you can also access a searchable stock photo library right from within Build-A-Button. Text can be added with many different formatting options, including hundreds of built-in fonts, and you can customize the overall appearance of the text, including the ability to add curved text or a monogram. For the text, shapes, and backgrounds of your buttons, you can also choose colors in a variety of ways. The various image and text elements of your button design can also be automatically centered or aligned within the design. You can even add custom tagline text on the back of your button. Build-A-Button also includes some advanced features to help you add a creative touch to your button designs, including the ability to apply adjustments to an image, add filter effects, and even crop images to a rectangular or circular shape. You can even erase the background of an image so that only the key subject remains as part of your button design. When you're finished creating a beautiful button design, you can preview and share that button in various ways. A built-in preview mockup feature lets you see what your button will look like with different types of buttons, from pinback to key rings and more. You can even download the preview of your button design to share on social media or via email. After saving various button designs, you can print those designs, including the option to print multiple button designs as one document. Build-A-Button even includes a mail merge feature so you can add unique text to a series of buttons, such as to create custom name badge buttons for an event. Once you understand the many available features within Build-A-Button from American Button Machines, in no time at all you'll be having fun creating incredible button designs.